Hi folks, I want to show you this plant here. So this is willow. So willow is a tree or a shrub. It has deciduous leaves, that means it drops its leaves in winter and grows a whole new set each spring. It is insect pollinated, but when it produces seeds, the seeds are wind dispersed. Seeds are attached to a little white fluff that's easily carried by the wind. So willow also has a long human association. So all across Asia, Europe, North America, Central and South America, willows tend to grow close to water sources, like the edges of creeks and the edges of lakes. So it is fairly common where humans used to establish settlements. And it was used for construction. The twigs are pliable, so they could be woven into baskets for carrying, or called burden baskets. And then perhaps one of the other common uses is that it contains chemicals in the bark. So the genus of willow is Salix, and the chemical extracted from willow bark is called salicylic acid. So it has a long folklore history as a febrifuge. So something you take to reduce a fever. It also reduces pain, an analgesic. So modern aspirin was synthesized from salicylic acid. It was figured out by German biochemist Felix Hoffmann, who was able to purify salicylic acid and make a form that had fewer side effects than pure salicylic acid that you'd get from boiling the bark. So aspirin has been in production for over 100 years, and it still has multiple uses today, both as an anti-inflammatory, also as a febrifuge, an analgesic to decrease pain, all from plants like this, different species of willow growing all across the world.
Willow apple galls are caused by the willow apple gall sawfly. Sawflies are hymenopterans. They are in the same order as bees and wasps. When we looked at the different species of galls on Valley Oak, most of them are caused by wasps. As willows are deciduous, the sawfly must lay her eggs in newly developing leaves in spring. Upon opening up the gall, we can see one larva in the gall. There may be several galls on the same willow leaf.
Okay.